To keep your modern cell phone looking sleek and shiny, it's essential to protect it from scratches and damage. Start by using a screen protector, which can be purchased for as little as $5 and help shield your screen from scratches. Pair it with a sturdy, full-body case, which is available in various colors and designs for around $20 to protect the exterior. If you prefer a slimmer design, consider a phone skin, though be aware that it's less protective against drops. For added convenience, look for cases with finger loops or belt clips to securely carry your phone and minimize the risk of accidental drops. Always store your phone carefully, avoiding unsafe surfaces, and dedicating a specific pocket for it to prevent contact with metal items like keys that could cause scratches. Lastly, use a desktop dock for charging to keep cords organized and reduce the risk of knocking your phone over. Proper care will help maintain your phone's stylish appearance for longer.